cold. Cold, cold, cold. And by the way, my seat got changed. I'm no longer in the last row. He was like, oh, we changed you to a better seat. So I'm on row 13 now. All right, we'll see. At least it's still A, so it's still a window, but whatever.
Hi there.
Hi, thank you.
At all times during the flight, you may briefly lift or lower your face covering while eating or drinking. In an effort to avoid disturbing you, if you choose to sleep this evening, we ask that you please keep your face covering on.
Lavatory review. Obviously we just took off like half an hour ago, so it is very clean, nice and pretty. There's almost nobody on this plane. It's almost empty, so like I'm guessing it's gonna stay like this for the whole flight, you know. But we basically got everything. We got, let me check the water pressure on this. Oh, it's normal, it's not crazy. Nice temperature, good soap, and we got everything you need over here. You got the toilet seat covers, and yeah, basically it's perfectly fine. I feel like this is a bit of an older plane, but you know, it's got everything you need, you know. And what else do you want than a nice clean lavatory with warm water that doesn't have an insane water pressure that just splashes you all over, right? Am I right? Alright guys, well, I'm gonna go use the restroom and I'm gonna go try to sleep a little. I'm so tired. I've been flying for more than 24 hours. This is crazy. I'm so fucking tired, you know. But thank God I got 3 seats to myself. I'm gonna be horizontal. I'm gonna just enjoy myself, okay? Very important to brush your teeth, okay? Especially when you're flying for so long, you know? Alright guys, I'm all done brushing my teeth, doing everything I need to do in here. So I'm gonna go try and get some sleep. Thank you guys for coming along always. Love you all.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Los Angeles. The local time here is approximately 10:55 p.m. We have arrived about an hour early. It will take our captain just a few minutes to taxi our aircraft to our gate. We ask that you please remain seated, keep your seatbelt fastened, and keep that center aisleway clear. Please use caution when opening overhead bins as items do shift during flight and upon landing and can possibly fall out. Flight attendants verified disarm doors, stand by for all call.
Bye, thank you.